Hi everyone, Andrew here at Johnson RV, America's #1 premium pre-owned RV superstore here in Sandy, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you this 2019 Forest River Forester 3051. It's a full wall slide Class C motorhome. We'll walk around the outside, take a look at some of the features, then we'll go inside and take a look. So coming around the front here, we do have a molded front fiberglass cap. You have your side view cameras here. That's where your propane tank and fill is going to be. Nice storage bin there. We do have an awning almost the full length of this coach with an LED strip there, and you do have speakers on the end too, which is nice because it projects the sound down instead of out towards your neighbors while you're out there camping. Another storage compartment here. Above that we have your hot water heater and your furnace, fridge access. You have 110 outlets outside. A good spot to store your gear. Then we have pass-through storage here in the back, so you can take some long things with you. Come around the back here. We have ladder for roof access for maintenance. You have a 7,500 pound hitch on the back here. Nice LED tail lights. And coming around the side here, you can see this full wall slide the whole length of the coach. Really opens it up on the inside, which we'll see here in a minute. The other side of the pass-through storage there. Utility center, outside shower, your water hookups, your gray and your black dumper in there, gasoline fill. Nice long storage bay there. Another smaller one, and then you got your awning gas 400 watt generator. So that's about it for the outside. Let's go inside and take a look. Hi again, Andrew at Johnson RV. Now we're inside this 2019 Forest River Forester 3051 full wall slide Class C motorhome. Kind of walk around the inside and take a look at some of the features. Up here you have your overhead bunk. This TV swings out here, and then there's another window on the other side. Gives you nice cross ventilation in that overhead cab area. Pretty unique there to Forest River. This is your cockpit up here. It's on the 450 chassis. Pretty standard there. Your backup camera and side view cameras are going to appear there on the infotainment center. Coming around here, we have a nice dinette that converts into a sleeping space. You have good overhead storage above that. It's nice and deep. And then opposing that, we have the reclining sofa, kind of more of a theater seating setup there, so you can take a look at that TV when it's swung out. Nice storage above that. You have your stereo, which will control the inside sound system as well as the outside speakers that I pointed out on the awning. Then near your entry door, you have a nice little closet area. This unit does have solar on it. And then it has the one control panel, which is where you'll control everything on the RV. You can turn turn on and off all of the lights. It's where you run your awning in and out, start and stop your generator. You can actually hook up an app on your phone to this as well, so you can control a lot of those features on your phone, maybe while you're outside running those things in and out. Into the kitchen area here, check out this storage. Nice deep overhead storage, solid surface countertops, double sink here. You do have a trash can hole in the counter here, which is neat because you actually pull that trash can out from the outside of the coach. Kind of a cool feature. You have microwave here, 3-burner range, and the Furrion. oven. Nice drawers here for storage in the kitchen. Lots of space underneath the sink as well. And you also have this flip-up counter for a little bit of additional workspace. Come on back from there into the bathroom area. Really large counter in the bathroom. Nice big mirrors. Great storage. Look how big those drawers are. And across from that, we have the toilet and the shower. Good sized shower in there. And we do have a door that separates the bathroom area, and then this will separate the bedroom area from the bathroom as well, so someone can be closed completely into just the bathroom with some privacy. Into the bedroom area, we do have a large nightstand on this side of the bed with storage drawers below. And then there's also a little nightstand on the other side of the bed, which is nice. Reading lights above. On either side of the TV here, we have nice big deep cedar lined closets. Great storage underneath the TV. Another cedar lined closet on the other side. You also have another touch one control system in the bedroom, so you don't have to walk out into the front of the coach to control things. It's right there for your convenience. So again, this is a 2019 Forest River Forester 3051 full wall slide here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 503-668-5400. Thanks for watching.